Hey everyone, welcome back to my crypto trading bot journey. It is day 112, and we're pretty much at the 4 month check-in of my crypto trading bot journey. Before we get started, I wanted to wish everyone a happy new year. Hope everyone had a happy holiday season and got to spend some time with their family and friends. We're a week into the new year, and I've been meaning to do a video, but it's been pretty crazy in my household. Our dog, she passed away a few days before Christmas. Two of my daughters, they got COVID, and thankfully both of them are fine now, but it's been pretty hectic in my household. But I'm glad we're in 2022, and I'm glad to have you all back following along on my journey. I'm truly grateful to have you following along. If this is your first time joining me on my journey, the thesis of the channel in the beginning was to prove if crypto trading bots actually make money or not. I started this trading bot journey 112 days ago, not knowing anything about trading bots. There's a lot of information out there, and I didn't know where to begin. And if you watch from day one, you'll see that I was skeptical with trading bots. I bought a program called The Plan that taught me all about trading bots, and I was still skeptical, but I started with a couple demo bots, and then I'd actually put my actual money on the line on one live bot, and that one live bot turned to two, three, and eventually got to five. And now I'm thinking about upgrading my plan to get even more trading bots. So all of this is documented on this channel, and if you look at my previous videos, you'll see my journey from day one. Now, if it's your first time joining me on my journey, we usually spend the first couple minutes talking about the crypto markets as a whole and Bitcoin in particular, because as Bitcoin goes, the rest of the market usually follows. And recently, over the past, I'd say month and a half, the crypto markets, they've been bloody. It's just been, we're really in a bear market right now. And uh, there's a lot of FUD in the market, and people are really scared out there. So let's go ahead and pull up CoinMarketCap so we can take a look. So this is the Bitcoin chart right here. This is a 3 month chart, and as you can see, in November we hit all-time high of 68, and right before or right when it turned to December, we had support at around what, 54, 55, and we fell through support and went to 47, and we're trading in a little range of 47 to 52 in pretty much all of December. And let me pull up the 1 month chart. So all of December we were between 47 and 52. So right here at December 27th we were at 51,688, and then right after December turning into January, we fell through the 47,000 or 46,000 support and went down to a low of 41. We hit a low of 40. We bounced off it, hit a low of 40 again just a couple days ago, and we bounced off it again. And we have a little we bounced off it, and we're in a little uptrend right now. We're at 43 right now, but the sentiment's still uh, bearish. And yeah, hopefully we go back into a bull market. But I'm not a technical analyst, and I'm not good with charts, but my feeling is we're going to trade sideways for a little bit between 40 and 50K, and then we're going to see a big move either up or down. And like I said, I'm hoping we can get back to a bull market and the trend is up. But that's the beauty of having crypto trading bots. They actually perform better in a sideways market. And crypto trading bots, they love volatility, and we're definitely in a volatile market right now. So in a volatile market that trades sideways, that's where crypto trading bots, they shine and they make their profits. So having said that, let's get into the bots. So here we go. That's a chart. Let me pull it up right here. So here we go. Here's my crypto trading bots. And as you can see, or my last video, we had the KuCoin scalper bot challenge, and you know I pretty much threw in the towel last one on the KuCoin scalper bots. The grid lines, they were real tight. They had trailing up and trailing down on, and I forgot how I had some BTC and USD in my account, and those bots actually ended up using up my spare BTC and USD. So a $500 test on one bot turned into like 1,000, and that happened to like two different bots. So those bots end up being like $2,000. I think I spent like 2,500 on those scalper bots, and they all like ended up in negative. So the only bots in my account right now are the standard and HODL bots with settings that I learned from the plan by Dan Hollings. And as you can see, there's three that are out of range, and that's because the markets have been down. I actually looked at this couple days ago, and four were out of range. I forget which the fourth one was. It was probably Solana, but we're gonna go into each one. With these out of range bots, there's three options that I could do. I could either leave them as is, I could stop and regrid them, or I could stop and delete the the bot and get some new coin pairs. So we'll go get into all of them in a little bit, but I'll start with Cody, the first one. So Cody, so the other thing is I've been running the first two bots right here, Cody and Solana. Actually, one other thing is in my previous videos I was blurring out my coin pairs, but you know what? I thought about it, and I actually really don't need to blur them out, um, because even if you have the coin pairs, you need the settings to know it. So I don't think it really matters if I blur them out or not. So Cody is my first one, and actually, so these first two ones they've been running, they haven't been regrid, but these last three, Luna, KSM, and Shiba, I've regrid these already, in these, and you'll see later in the summary that I have more numbers for these other three right here. The other thing is these three in the middle, KSM Dot, Luna ETH, and Solana BTC. These are my HODL bots, and the difference with a HODL bot is, they're coins that you really believe in and you plan on holding for a long time. And so, I believe in these six coins, and, you know, 5 years from now, I plan my time horizon on all three of these are very long, 5, 10 years at the minimum before I plan on selling any. So if you in a video that I do 5 years from now, if I'm still doing videos, you'll see that I still have these six coins. So yeah, I really believe in these six ones. Shiba Inu and Cody. I believe in Cody as well, but not I don't have as much conviction in Cody as I do as these six, is what I would say. And Shiba, as you all know, is a meme coin, so I may, it has performed really well for me, and we'll get into that a little bit. But let's start with Cody. So it's been running for 3 months and 15 days. It's had an average daily return of 0.39%. It's done 6,260 transactions for a bot profit of $1,207, or 42% bot profit. Solana has been running for 3 months and 5 days. It's done an average daily return of 0.10%. It's done 3,600 transactions for a bot profit of $1,600. And actually, let me go back to Cody. So Cody, as we see, is out of range, and let's pull up the chart so we can see it. So as you can see, um, these red lines right here is the grid lines where the bot actually does all the trades. So if I pull up this ruler, you can see that Cody will have to go up 34% in order for it to get back in range. So this is one that if I'm going to keep Cody, I want to stop and regrid it, because let's actually look how long it's been out of range. So here we go. So it hasn't. So if we look at this, December 2nd is when it last did a trade. So yeah, I've the other thing with the crypto trading bots is you really set it and forget it. And if it goes out of range, you're hoping that it goes back in range. But honestly, I haven't really been looking at this. And as you can see, it's been a month since it's been out of range doing any trade. So I missed out on all of this. See how it's been going up and down? Cody would have made a lot of profit this past month, but I was not paying attention to it. So um, if I keep it, I will regrid it, stop and regrid it, and hopefully get back to these bot profits of going back up and down. But if not, because 30% is, can it do it in a day? Yes, it can, but um, with the market being in a downturn, will it? I'm not too sure. And as you can see, it's been going for a month now without it going back in range. So this is one that I'm either gonna stop and stop and trade it for a different coin, or stop and regrade it. And it has done really well for me. It's giving back 42%. It's returned 42%, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it going forward. Solana, we talked about Solana. Luna, Luna ETH pair. It's been running for 3 months. It's giving me an average daily return of 0.34%. It's done 5,111 transactions for a bot profit of $1,549, or 30%. KSM's done. It's been running for 2 months and 20 days. Average daily return of 0.15%. 4,912 transactions for a bot profit of $767. And let's see how far KSM is out of range. So actually, KSM was in range today. It's done transactions, but it just got out. So I'll probably leave this. This is one that I'd probably just leave, and when it goes back up, it'll go back in range and do the trades it has to do. Shiba, on the other hand, it's been running for 1 month, 23 days, and it's done 4,404 transactions for a bot profit of $791, and it just got out of range. See this, January 5th, so it's been out of range for about a week. And let's pull up this ruler real quick. So yesterday, since yesterday, it went up 25%. So it went up 25%, and it'll probably go back in range. But who knows? I may just leave this one just to see where it goes. But yeah, these are the bots, and let me pull up a summary of everything. So this is a summary of what the bot profit looks like over the 4 months, or after 4 months, and how it has changed since last check-in. So bot profit, as you can see, is at $8,272. It's increased about $2,600 since the last check-in, and that's really all passive income. Honestly, I haven't been managing this. I would look at it every now and then, but I haven't looked at it too in depth. And then you can tell by Cody being out of range for the last month. So what do I plan on doing going forward? Actually, let me show you this. So the bot profit percentages, I put this is a new column that I put in. Shiba's done the best, and it's given me a bot profit percentage of 54%, followed by Cody at 42% and Luna at 35%. So that's how it's been going, and the 4 month bot profit return is 22.92%. So they have all been pretty profitable, and I plan on holding at least the HODL bots for a while. I'm still debating if I'm going to keep Shiba Inu, but I'll probably stop Cody, and I'll probably switch that out. So I'm planning on, stopping Cody, not selling all the Cody. I'll probably keep a little bit and just uh, holding it for the long term, and selling it when it gets back to the price target that I think it'll get to. But then I'll probably switch it out, and I want to hold it. I want to hold solid coins that I know can survive a bear market because of the market uncertainty right now. And coins I'm looking at are KDA, which was in my scalper bot, and I'm also looking at Avalanche. Um, I'm also looking into gaming coins. The gaming coin sector got hit hard during this last downturn, and if we get back to a bull market, they'll be in a position to rocket back up. So a couple other things I plan on doing is, I stopped the scalper bots a few weeks ago, and I actually reallocated some of the money to DeFi projects. I know a couple of people have been messaging me and want to see a DeFi video, and there's a project that I've been researching and I'm really excited about. I actually put some funds into it a few days ago. And if you want to see a journey video on DeFi projects, please let me know in the comments below because if you guys don't want to see it, I won't do a video. But if you do want to see it, then I'll plan on doing a DeFi journey in these DeFi coins that I've been looking at, or these DeFi projects that I've been looking at um, recently. Someone also wanted me to do a comparison of the planned standard bots against the three comma bots, and I haven't had a chance to look into the three comma bots yet, but I do plan on doing that, and because that will be a good comparison between the KuCoin standard bots. I'm sorry, not KuCoin, the Bitsgap platform and the planned standard bots versus the three comma bots. So that's pretty much it. And if you're wondering where I learned about crypto trading bots, I purchased a program where I learned about these bots. It's called The Plan by Dan Hollings. I was in beta group 2, which started in August, and the program is currently closed for new users. But if you're interested, click the link in the description and I'll email you when it opens back up. And that's it. I'm excited about 2022. It's an exciting time to be in crypto. Kind of scary right now with it going up and down, but as I mentioned with bots, they perform well in up, down, sideways markets. So it's definitely a good, exciting time to be in crypto. And if you're enjoying following along on this journey, please remember to subscribe and smash that like button. And because it helps with the YouTube algorithm and helps me grow this channel. I'm very happy to have you join me on my journey. And as always, fiat and gold is dead. Crypto is the future, and the future is now. See you all on the next video.